I was surprised na parang flexible.
Hi, boy! How do you feel?
I fell asleep. Buti na lang nagising ako nung bigla nagsasalita.
Talaga?
I felt relaxed.
How did you feel? You've been doing yoga, di ba?
Yes, I've been doing yoga, but not that regularly kasi, you know, stress with work. And,
Yeah.
So, now, after the class, I'm convinced that I will go back to yoga.
Balik na,
again.
balik yoga.
Yes. I will go back to yoga.
Yes, yes, okay, yes.
I'm
Yeah,
recording the recording.
Ala, everybody, hi, Fritz. How was it for you?
I also fell asleep. Like
Talagang sound asleep, snoring and no.
I don't know if I snore.
We didn't hear anybody snore, so you're safe.
Yes. Thank you, Jane.
Okay, and Francis, this is the guy who has been doing yoga. Okay, tell me, how was it today?
It was sweet and sweaty.
Sweet and sweaty.
Yes.
Which was the sweet part?
Sweet because it's it's going back to yourself and
Yeah.
doing the poses and
Yes.
trying to do everything correct.
Yeah.
And it's just about you this time. And
Okay.
Sweaty because it's really
Okay.
mainit.
Now, I want to capture you because earlier you were telling me that yoga was good for you, and it's very hard to convince guys, to do yoga. So, say a little something for the guys out there. What do you think?
You know what? At the end of it, you lift weights, you try to lose weight, you try to bulk up. But if you don't have perfect, if you don't have enough warm up and cool down, if you don't have proper stretching, it's all waste. Sayang. So this yoga is a perfect opportunity to do all that. Plus, you get to go back to yourself. So you're in for more. When you lift weights, you're more at peace. You can lift more because actually yoga is more about discipline. It makes you want to lift more. It makes you not want to give up but carry more. So especially when you're doing abs.
Yeah.
So that's something
Okay,
to watch
guys,
out for.
you heard it from a guy. Okay, so get out there, do
Yes.
yoga. All right, thank you, Francis.
Sure.
Bye. I have the mommies here with me. Mommy chat, how was it for you? Ha? Tagatak pawis? All the toxins. Yeah, oo.
Pero
Great for you.
Sarap.
I'm
I
glad,
feel great.
glad.
Anyway,
How about Cookie? Cookie, how was it for you?
Great, very good.
Yeah,
Very nice.
Really, huh? Okay, let's try. Here's one of my favorite mommies. Mommy Dean, ano, kamusta?
I was relaxed. And I felt 1 year younger.
Sige pa, isa pa, magiging 10 years na yan. Magiging 10 years.
And then,
Nahirapan ka ba? Hindi naman.
yeah, kasi I couldn't reach yung mga malalalim na whatever. Pero
Hindi
sabi
naman
nga
kailangan
ni
sa
Jane,
first try.
oo.
Pero overall, I think you're okay.
Yeah.
You look okay, no? Tagapawis, no? Oh, sige.
Thank you.
Okay. We have here a foodista. RP,
Yeah, obviously,
tell me something about your experience.
it
Ano?
was eye-opening and I thought he would make us do handstands pero hindi pala.
Sige, that's in the second lesson.
I hope I lived through the second lesson. I hardly survived this one, but I think a little bit more. It's way better than running, which I hate.
Oh, okay. He's the guy who hates running.
I
Okay.
hate running. Unless hinahabol ka ng aso, but
Ayan.
other than that, it's
So
okay
it's
siya.
okay for you for a first try, ah?
For a first try, I used to be with Fitness First for about a year. I actually joined, they have those classes na, they call it, basta the stretching classes and everything went so fast and had to jump up and down. My doctor says I'm not supposed to do that kasi, well, I have bad knees and I have bad ankles. But this one seems okay.
Okay.
Siguro,
Wala kang nararamdamang discomfort ngayon?
wala pa.
Wala pa. Medyo sasakit ng konti.
Sasakit ng konti, I think
Pero
it's expected.
expected yan. Oo.
Pero if sabi nga nila, pag sumakit, did it work?
It means to say your muscles work. Yung mga hindi mo
Yeah.
na-work nun.
I'm actually expecting siguro. I would like to actually give it a try.
Yes.
I'd like to give it a try. Low impact lang. Slow, ano
Slow lang yun. Oo.
Slow lang. Huwag lang masyadong, no handstands yet.
Oo. Wala kayo sa second lesson. Hindi. Joke lang.
Wonderful experiences. Eye-opener.
Yeah.
And there's a CD outside for pet. I was gonna ask if can I have one?
That is for free. You can go out and get one.
Sige.
Yes.
I really wanted to. RP Lasa na lang po.
Okay,
Don't
RP.
forget.
See you around.
Sige.
Bye.